Hey guys, how's it going? VW Print here. As you can see, we are at our mechanic's house in his garage. Right here in front of us, we got this 63 VW Beetle that we're going to be working on. The reason why this car is here is we got this engine that we're going to install. So this is the engine that's going in this car. This is either a 1679 or a 1700. It's already built. We just got to get all the pieces together, and we might do a wheel run on it. If not, you'll see it running on this one.
Yes, team, we have completely saved this car. This is for a completely rebuilt. We try to do adjustments here. You gotta be even. What looks new, what looks good, what runs good. Okay, this is new everything. We had to make adjustments here because no seat in the spot. This is an empty. You see, it's no seat. I gotta make something. Here's no seat at all. It's completely. We gotta check why. So today I'm going to remove the original engine. Why is because I need a couple parts from here. I need the alternator. That's it, alternator. I will use this alternator because it's already done, and 12 volts before he was 6. So today I had to take it all the motor for remove the parts I was using this and do the finishing, the muffler, tie all the things. Here I got ready to the carburetor, no bother. But the same way I say before, I say I want to start it outside because I don't want any problem, any leak, nothing. Let's see the party start.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the engine pretty much almost together. We got the alternator on already tightened up. He's pointing things out, what he's done to it. Got the muffler on, all tightened up. Got the intake for the dual carbs in there, which the dual carbs will be installed soon. Got the belt on and the alternator. So walking up to that engine is the engine that came off from the car. So all I needed was the alternator and some other parts for it, and everything else will remain.